Brothers and sisters, today's gospel reading is a continuation of the gospel yesterday. Yesterday's gospel, we heard Jesus chastises the people who followed him because of their wrong reasons. Remember, after Jesus fed the 5,000 people with just 5 loaves and 2 fishes, people started to seek and followed him, for they wanted him to be their king. And some of them wanted to be associated with Jesus because of his popularity. And so today, Jesus categorically clarifies the whole point of his miracle. He makes clear that the bread that he is giving is his word, which, if accepted, will satisfy our spiritual hunger. My dear friends, Jesus reminds us that he always shares the bread of life with us, especially in the celebration of the Eucharist. Jesus every day nourishes us by the Eucharist and by his word in the scriptures. Kini ang tinuod nga mensahe. Why did Jesus perform such miracle of feeding the 1,000 people with just 5 loaves and 2 fishes? Sa atong pagpadayon, sa atong panaw, sa pagtuo, let us always remind ourselves to deepen our devotion to the Eucharist. Kay kining Eucharistia, maugid ni siya ang mag-satisfy sa kauhaw ug kagutom sa atong kalag. Without the Eucharist, the Church will not exist. Matod pa ni Pope Benedict XVI, the late Pope Benedict XVI, without the Eucharist, the Church simply does not exist. Because it is by the Eucharist, the celebration of the Holy Mass, will be nourished by the food to eternal life. And so, my dear friends, padayon ta sa atong desire nga musimba kada adlaw ug musimba tungod sa pangandoy nga pakanon ang atong gutom nga mga kalag sa pulong ug sa kinabuhi ni Kristo. May the good Lord continue to break bread for us and to share his divine word that will lead us to eternal life. Please all stand.